welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making some baked chicken wrapped in bacon, and I'll also be making some asparagus wrapped in bacon. So if you want to see how I make this, just stay tuned. Okay, so all we're gonna need is our chicken, which I already cut it into smaller pieces, bacon, whichever one you like, asparagus, and then our seasonings. And that's pretty much all we're gonna need. Okay, so we're gonna start by cutting our asparagus. We're gonna just cut the bottom of it. By seasoning our chicken, so I'm gonna put garlic salt, I like a lot of seasoning, and the chicken bouillon, whatever it's called. Now I'm gonna put this rosemary, garlic, just a little bit. Most of it's not even gonna land on it. Bacon. Actually, let's preheat the oven to 450. Okay, so now we're gonna get our bacon. Get our chicken and just lay it on there, wrapping it up. So just wrap it up like that. So this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna start wrapping our asparagus. Okay, so I cut this one in half. Just so it's not too much. Okay, so this is what the asparagus wrapped in bacon looks like so far. Now I like to add seasoning. I also put a tiny bit of butter. Let me show you. If you can see, there's like barely any butter under there. And a tiny bit of lemon pepper. Okay, so these are seasoned already. And our chicken. So once our oven is done preheating, we're just gonna throw them in there for like 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been about like 15 minutes, so we're gonna throw our asparagus in the oven. I'm gonna bring you guys closer so you can see how the chicken is looking. So that's how the chicken is looking, and well, we just put the asparagus in. And I have cilantro lime rice cooking right now. Okay, so our chicken is done, so we're gonna take it out. So that's what our chicken looks like. And that's why I put foil over the pan, because it's gonna be way easier to clean. So if you would like a recipe on how I make my cilantro lime rice, let me know. Okay, now that it's done, some asparagus. There we go. Okay, so this is how it came out. If you liked my video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.